Subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest quality tech videos and don't forget to select that bell icon.
So first of all, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple professional outro using the Photoshop. You can also use any of the alternative softwares. Basically you have to understand the concept and how you can design it one for yourself. So let's get started without wasting any more time. It's been a while. Go to file, new, select the resolutions. I normally use 1920 by 1080 pixels. So open up and just get started things off. So first of all, just think of a background. So let me keep this background as a plain white color background, so we can lock it up as a background. So once we are done with that, open a new layer. Now first we got to add some text over here. So basically let me drag up a space over here, fill it with some cool color. I think this is one of my favorite color, blue everywhere. That's pretty cool. Okay, once we are done with that, we got to add some text over here. I'll just add it. What happened? Just a minute. Yeah. So there's a change in the font. The BBus doesn't looks well in it. You have to think like a professional designer basically while designing any of the photos for your channel, because it's one of the major thing and the important thing, selecting the best ideal font and just using it in your videos. I mean to say, the maintaining the consistency of font is pretty much important. It can easily be useful in your growth. So once we are done with that, so we are ready with the thanks for watching board right now. So let's make a new layer 3, and just open up a rectangle, fill it with some color, the color which we used before. I forgot, insert some drop shadow. That looks something cool, not much, but for the dividing, it makes the division of the places. Yeah, don't forget to select the layer which we did, press Ctrl T, and you are ready to go. Edit it up as you want. Oh my god, we did some mistake, I guess. Nothing, is going all right. Place it at the center and just turn this in cool manner that these edges are going to look like this. Okay, now where the magic goes on. So you want to think to carry on your current video, what you are doing in this section, because the current video, the content should be running all the way and it should not stop at the end, and you don't want to let the viewer to know that this video is going to end up. So your current video should be running here, and you got to type running here, and you also want your social name should be here. So let this be in a normal. Facebook your name, Instagram your name, YouTube / your name. So select everything, click on auto. So it's pretty well organized. So place this at the side because you want to make it more attractive. You guys can also add few icons here, which I am not included in this video. You guys can think something professionally and make it so look so cool. Now the things are going to change up. We got to make a big rectangle here which shows up your next video to be watched. Just put in the rectangle here and open up a keyboard and just type in keyboard here, fill it with the white color. You know, that's for just for the layer outline works, for pretty much easy drop shadows, not much, just for your guidance, you know, just to make a device to recognize it. Go to text and just type in what you wanted. Actually, just type it, watch it now. Basically, you want to maintain these two fonts should be in the same so that it grabs the viewer's attention. Watch it now. Yeah, and go here and make another your subscribe channel, a big one, which looks like this. Again, just fill it with the white color, pretty much that fill, that's enough, and make it big so that it should be directly fit to your channel's branding, you know. It really grabs the viewer's attention. And just type in here to subscribe your channel with the same font which I used for to say thanks. So I'll be just typing here subscribe now. That's enough. Don't just add subscribe now without fail. Do subscribe now. This is far enough to look it more minimalist. So place here and you are ready to go with a pretty much a simple outro made using Photoshop. You can also use any alternative software to make this. So you just want to organize your things here and just wrap it off. So just make your current video to be played here, to play your current video here only.